Jai Shri Ram. Today I will talk about genetics. Genetics, it deals with the inheritance as well as the variation of characters from parents to progeny. Inheritance is a process by which characters are passed from parents to progeny. That means characters are passed from parents to young ones or next generation. Variation. Variation is the degree by which progeny differ from their parents. So that's why variation is opposite to inheritance. Next, Mendel's law of inheritance. Gregor Mendel is a father of genetics. Gregor Mendel conducted hybridization experiments on garden peas for 7 years, 1856 to 1863, and proposed law of inheritance. Although the significance of his work was not recognized during his lifetime, it has become the basis for the present day field of genetics. Mendel selected 14 true breeding peas plant varieties as pairs which were similar except for one character with contrasting traits. These are the characters: seed shape round wrinkled, seed color yellow green, flower color violet white, pod shape full constricted, pod color green yellow, flower position axial terminal, stem height tall and dark. One is a dominant, another one recessive traits. Next, remembering this point, phenotype, the external appearance of an organism due to the influence of gene and environmental factors, that is called phenotype. Next, genotype, the genetic constitution of an individual responsible for the phenotype. Here phenotype, it nothing but parental type, and genotype nothing but generic type. Phenotypic ratio means the correct proportion of phenotype in population. Next, genotypic ratio, the correct proportion of genotype in population. Homozygous. So homo means similar. So homozygous means the individual having identical genes in an allelic pairs for a character. Example, capital T or small t. Heterozygous. Hetero means different. The individual having unidentical gene in an allelic pair. For example, capital T, small t. Dominant gene. The gene that expresses its characters in heterozygous condition. Recessive. The gene that fails to express its characters in heterozygous condition. For example, capital T small t. Here capital T is a dominant, T small t is a recessive. So dominant gene expressed. Next, hybrid. The progeny obtained by crossing two parents that differ in characters. Why Mendel selected pea plants? Because pure variety are available, pea plants are easily to cultivated, life cycle of pea plants are only few months so that a result can be got early. Contrasting traits are observed. Flowers are bisexual and normally self-pollinated, and flowers can be cross-pollinated only manually, and hybrids are fertile. So that's why Mendel selected pea plants. Next, inheritance of one gene. It can be explained by monohybrid cross. The cross between two parents differing in one pair of contrasting character is called monohybrid cross, or F1 resembles either of the two parents. So it is also called monohybrid cross or inheritance of one gene. So tall and dwarf is a phenotype Genotype capital T, small t, and gamete T and small t. And it obtained first generation, that is capital T small t, F1 generation. F1 generation means filial generation. So first hybrid generation. It is also called as heterozygous tall. So hetero means different. So here different gametes are obtained, capital T and small t. Next, F2 generation. So F2 generation, F1 is crossed with F1, self-fertilization or self-pollination. So F1 means capital T, small t, that means heterozygous tall crossed with heterozygous tall, and create Punnett square. Punnett square graphically representation. It's calculation probability of possible genotype in genetic cross. Here gametes on two sides, top rows and left columns, and it obtained capital TT, capital T small t, capital T small t and small t. Here capital T means homozygous tall, capital T small t means heterozygous tall, and small t means dwarf. Phenotypic ratio is 3:1. 3 tall and 1 dwarf. That means 75% dominant character and 25% recessive characters. Next, genotype. Genotypic ratio 1:2:1. That means 1 homozygous tall. That means capital T and 2 heterozygous tall. That is capital T, small t and 1 dwarf. That is small t. Here F1 generation, one parental trait shown, and F2 both parental traits shown in the ratio 3:1, and no blending was seen. Next, test cross. Cross between hybrid and its homozygous recessive parent, or F1 generation cross back with the recessive parent is called test cross. So here white and violet colored flower taken in phenotype, and genotype is capital WW and small WW genotype, and gamete capital W and small w. It obtained F1 generation or first filial generation, that is capital W small w. Again heterozygous condition. So that's why here capital W is expressed, dominant gene is expressed. So it is heterozygous white. Next, F2 generation. F2 generation means F1 is crossed back with the recessive parent. So F1 is crossed with violet, that is a recessive parent. So create a Punnett square. Gametes on two sides, top row and left columns, and it obtains capital W, small w, small w, small w, capital W, small w, small w, small w. So capital W, small w means heterozygous white, and small w is violet color. And phenotypic ratio 2:2, 2 violet, 2 white. And genotypic ratio again same, 2 violet, 2 white. That means 50% violet colored and 50% white colored. So it is in this technique is used to identify the genotype of the hybrid, or it identify the genotype of plants and animals. Next, law of dominance. The characters are controlled by discrete units called factors. So factors occurs in pairs. Example capital T or capital T small t pairs, and or dissimilar pair of factors. That means capital T small t, dissimilar pairs of factors. One member of the pair dominates, another one recessive. Here capital T is a dominant, another one small t is a recessive. Next, incomplete dominance. The inheritance in which allelic for a specific characters is not completely dominant over the allele is called incomplete dominance. It is also called partial dominance or semi-dominance. or when cross between two pure breed is done for one contrasting character, the F1 hybrid phenotype does not resemble either of the two parents and was in between the two. So it is completely different. Example, dog flower, snapdragon or antirrhinum. This is the dog flower, snapdragon. Another example, 4 o'clock plant, Mirabilis jalapa. Red and white is a phenotype. Red colored flower and white colored flower is a phenotype. Genotype is a capital R, and small r is a genotype, and gametes capital R, small r, and it obtained capital R and small r, but here color is pink color. So it is completely different to the parent. So F2 is equal to F1 into F1. F1 means capital R, capital R, small r. Self-pollinated or self-fertilization. Punnett square. It obtained capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, small r, small r. Here capital R means red color, capital R, small r means pink color, and small r means white color. Phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1. 1 is a red, that is a capital R, 2 pink color, capital R, small r, 1 white, it is small r, small r. Same here also, genotypic also 1:2:1 ratio, 1 homozygous red, another one 2 heterozygous pink, and 1 white. Thank you.